is an open-source framework created by Google to build apps. In this video, we are going to answer the question, is Flutter worth learning and using? Welcome back to Code Climbers, where we take you on a coding journey, one step at a time. Before investing time and effort in learning a new framework, there is a critical question we need to answer. Is Flutter really worth learning and using? While the answer to this question probably depends on your needs and expectations, there are several reasons that make Flutter a great framework to learn and use. We shall share 6 reasons why it is so. Number 1. Cross-platform. With Flutter, you can build apps for iOS, Android, web, desktop, and IoT devices with a single codebase. Number 2. Fast development. Flutter includes several features that help speed up your development workflow. Among the most important, it's worth mentioning hot reload, hot restart, and sound null safety support. Number 3. Rich user interface. Flutter provides a rich set of widgets to create beautiful, high-performance apps. Number 4. Open source. Flutter and Dart, the programming language you use in Flutter, are open source and supported by Google. Number 5. Community support. Flutter has a large and active community. This means you can easily find great resources, third-party packages, and help. Number 6. High performance. Flutter uses a reactive programming model and a high-performance rendering engine. There are arguably other points we could add here. Let me know in your comments. You'll discover several more yourself in my step-by-step Flutter development tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Code Climbers. Happy coding!